Hello and welcome back to our Prosperity Central training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. My name is Jeff Osnes. I'm your host. I'm your tour guide. I'm going to be walking you through our training. And before we get into it, let's talk about our channel. What is this channel all about? This channel is about the sales process, that infamous sales funnel. We talk about how you can manage, organize, and follow up with your contacts using a tool called Prosperity Central. Now, if you're not using Prosperity Central, I do recommend that you use Prosperity Central. However, a lot of the things that we're going to talk about are concepts that you can take and implement into your existing CRM if you already have one. So I do recommend that you stick around and watch this training if you're in sales, if you're in network marketing, especially if you're in network marketing. Everything that we're going to be talking about is going to be geared towards the network marketing professional, those people building a home-based business. So make sure you get plugged in and listen to and watch all of the training that's created on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on notifications. Make sure you like this video. Super important that you like these videos so that YouTube will actually recommend these videos to other people like you. Now, if you're not in sales and you're not in network marketing, take a moment right now and share this video with somebody you know who's in sales, somebody you know who's in network marketing, who needs that little edge, that edge to help them get more done so that they can write more business and close more sales. Now let's get into our training today. On today's training, we're going to dig deeper into the actual website that's provided by Prosperity Central. So we're going to jump over to the My Website tab. We're going to go down to the Customize Your Website link, and we're going to talk about your About Me page. Now, what is the About Me page? Well, let me show you. Let's go back to my website, and I'm going to leave this page open and open up a new tab, and we're going to go to Preview the personal website, the actual website provided by Prosperity Central. When you're on the website, when your prospects are on the website, they can click on About Me, where they can learn a little bit more about you, and you get to control the information listed on this page here. You get to control your contact information. You get to tell a little bit about yourself. You can add videos. You can add images. You can add all kinds of cool stuff to your About Me page. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's jump back over to the Customize Your Website page. And we're going to click on Customize Your About Me page. From here, you'll see it's divided up into different sections. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, and Step 6. Preview your About Me page, which we've already done. So let's scroll back up to the top and let's talk about Step 1. Step 1 is the information that is displayed on your About Me page. So whatever information you put in here is what will be displayed here. Now, if you've been watching these training videos, we've already talked about what's called an email sending profile. You can have different information displayed on your website than what you have included in your emails. Or it can be the same. It is up to you how you want that information merged into the website and the email. But I just want to point out that it can be different. And in some cases, you do want it to be different, depending on how you're doing your tracking and all of those different things, which we'll get into a little bit more later on. So make sure you take a moment to decide what information, what personal information you want to have listed in Step 1 that will show up over here on the left-hand side for the Contact Me. Now, if we scroll down below that, you'll see Step 2 is your social networking profiles. This is your personal website, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Now, I do want to point out that whatever you update here, whatever you add here, obviously will show up here, but this information is the same as your email sending profile. So if I were to change this, let's say I put a number 2 in here, and then I go down and save changes. And then if I go to my account, I'm going to open it up in a separate tab here, and we're going to go down to the Update Your Email Sending Profile. What you'll notice is that it's updated here. The social network information, your website and social network information that's listed here is going to be shared between the email sending profile and the website profile. We don't allow two separate sets of website and social networking information within the system. So it's important to note that this stuff is going to be shared. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Let's go back down here. Let's get rid of that number 2, and let's go ahead and save changes again. Let's get that back to what it was, and let's go back down to upload a photo. This is optional. You can upload a picture of yourself, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Once I select the image, in this case, I'm going to go down and I'm going to save changes again. That's actually going to upload the photo. And now you can see that image has been added. If I go back to the preview, refresh it, you'll see my image is now showing up. Interesting, and that image just got really large, so not sure what happened there. So we'll have to take a look at what just happened. So let's go back down here to step 4, which is tell your prospects about yourself. This is your little bio. Tell people why they should join you in your business. This is where you get to brag a little bit. Tell people why they should join you. You're going to create your own little bio here about yourself. You can use HTML source code so that you can make this look a little prettier than what it might be on its own. But of course, there is lots of formatting options here, so you don't necessarily need to know HTML source code. But I do like to point that out for those of you who are a little bit more tech savvy and like to go and create some cool little code out there, and then you can drop that into this little personal profile section. Once you've updated your bio, once you've updated this information, and of course, these are just some examples here that I've got here. Now, that is a real check that I have received. But once you've made any changes there, I do recommend that you save that, get that updated. In fact, what I'm going to do here, why are we scrolling funny? Let's select that, and let's see here. Edit this. Oh, edit. Scrolling a little funny on me here. Let's resize that image. There we go. And let's save that. I might need to resize it a little bit more as well. We're going to go back and refresh our preview. It's still a little funky out of there, going out underneath there. So I'm going to have to go and resize that. I really should think about this a little bit more and add some more text, or I could get rid of the video and audio that's listed here to kind of clean this up. So if I scroll down to step 5, add custom audio or video. You can upload audios into the system. You can upload videos. We haven't gotten into that aspect of the system just yet. I'm going to turn those off for just a second. Let's go ahead and save that. Now let's refresh. And there, that looks a little cleaner anyway. So anyway, you can play around with how you want this to look, how you want this to work out. Typically, you'd probably have a little bit more text up here before you get into your images, but of course, totally up to you. And I could resize that image to make it fit within the view here that the system has, but I just removed the audio and video that was listed on this page to save, to give me a little bit more space there. So anyway, let's jump back over to Prosperity Central, the back office, the About Me page. And of course, those are all the different options here. From here, you can click on the Preview Your About Me page, which takes you straight to the About Me page without having to preview the website, then click on About Me. So that is your About Me page. If you have not configured and updated your About Me page, take a moment now to go get that done. I do want to remind you that this is, of course, your moment to shine. This is where you get to brag about yourself. So talk about your accomplishments. Talk about why somebody should join you in your business. And that's it for our training today. As always, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It's a super simple system. It helps you present your opportunity, helps you organize and manage your contacts. The price is great. We help you track your contact activity so you know who to follow up with and when to follow up with them. And of course, my personal favorite, we help you build a secondary income stream through the Prosperity Central affiliate program. And of course, we are mobile friendly. Now let's talk about pricing. We have the basic account. It's free for the life of the account. This is for your team so that you can send everybody on your team to Prosperity Central. They can join your organization in Prosperity Central and have access to your training. The basic account is really just for those people who are plugging into you, but not really actively going out there and working hard to build a business. Those people who are working hard to build an organization, to build a business, should be at the professional level. That's $24.95 a month. It gives you everything you need to manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects. And then the Premier account, which is $49.95 a month, is for anybody who is a leader. If you have 20, 200, 20,000 people on your team, whatever it might be, you need a place where everybody can go to access your training. You need to have a system that they can follow, and Prosperity Central is that. You need to make sure that you're at that Premier level so that you can start sharing your content with your team so they don't have to go and create the content themselves. Now, if you do not have a Prosperity Central account, you need to go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, that's prosperitycentral.biz. That's my affiliate link. Go there now and set up your Prosperity Central account today. Thanks again for watching this training, and happy prospecting.